Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of Hyatt Centric Delfina in Santa Monica, California. Formerly known as Le Meridien Delfina, this hotel offers 315 rooms and suites with breathtaking ocean and mountain views and is a walking distance to various tourist sites such as Santa Monica Beach and Pier, 3rd Street Promenade, and a plethora of shops and restaurants. As we entered, the beautiful contemporary lobby with plenty of comfy seating was a welcome sight as we went through the check-in process. Let's take a look at room 636 here at the Hyatt Centric Delfina in Santa Monica, California. So as soon as you walk in, to the left side is a small bathroom. Here's a shower with a tub, a single sink vanity. There's the toilet. And right outside the bathroom is a very tiny closet. There's an ironing board, hair dryer, and a bathrobe right there. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. So there's a large mirror right here, right beside the chair. Here's the large king-size bed, the big screen TV, and let's take a look at what's inside these cabinets. Here's a small fridge. And this one, there's a safe right there. A couple bottles of water, a nice little office desk. And they have a bunch of plugs here to charge your devices. Now let's step outside to the balcony. There's a couple of chairs here with a small table. And here is our view. So that's a quick tour of our king room here at the Hyatt Centric Delfina in Santa Monica. Let's take a look at room 918. It's a 2-queen room here at the Hyatt Centric Delfina in Santa Monica, California. So as soon as you walk in, to the left side is a small closet. Let's open it up. It has an ironing board, and a bathrobe, which you can take home for $90 if you really like it. And they provide a couple bottles of water here, and there's the ice bucket. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It has a single sink with a nice backlit mirror. There's the toilet, and here's the shower with a tub. Now let's check out the bedroom. There's the 2 queen beds. Big screen TV with a small fridge right below. Let's open this up. There's nothing in there. And this side has the safe. Here's a nice office desk with a bunch of plugs for all your devices. And there's also some plugs right in between the beds for your devices. And here's a nice sitting area. Single chair with a small glass table and a large mirror, so that looks nice. Now let's step out to the small balcony. It has a single chair, a small table, and a view of Santa Monica. The beach is out there, and here's the buildings around us. So that's a quick look at our 2-queen room here at the Hyatt Centric Delfina. Stop by for breakfast, lunch, and dinner at Coastal Harvest Bar and Kitchen, where California cuisine shines through fresh, locally sourced, and sustainable ingredients.
It's also a great spot to have drinks while socializing with friends and family during the evening. We stopped by for breakfast on Sunday morning, so let's check out what we ordered. This Eggs Benedict was so good that my mom finished the whole plate. I really liked this French toast, which was crispy with plenty of strawberries and bananas on top of it. The ham and cheese sandwich, which came with an egg on top, was also a good choice. American breakfast was the last item, which is served with coffee, juice, and toast. Overall, the breakfast was decent, and it's a convenient place to eat when you don't want to step out of the hotel. The heated saltwater outdoor pool is a great place to relax and soak in the Southern California sunshine. Plenty of seating is available, as well as cabanas for a more luxurious experience. There are also seating areas with fire pits to keep yourself warm during those colder days. Let's take a look at the fitness center. So they have the towels here. There's the cold towels in the fridge. And the water dispenser. Some Peloton bikes. A cable machine. Here's some cardio equipment. Some dumbbells. And they have more cardio equipment in this room right here. The hotel offers multiple event venues, which is highlighted by the sandbox, which puts a playful spin on business gatherings. This game room setting features a pool table, darts, multiple TVs, a variety of seating options, and a shuffleboard. Drinks and snacks can be ordered from the bar area just outside the game room. The best thing about this hotel is its close proximity to various tourist attractions in Santa Monica. It's a 20-minute walk to Santa Monica Pier, the beach, and a 25-minute walk to 3rd Street Promenade. Honestly, the hotel isn't really worth the price as it is right now prior to the renovations planned by Hyatt. But we wouldn't stay here again mainly because of the staff. Of the 3 interactions we had with different front desk staff, not a single one of them was pleasant. The worst was at checkout. Not only was the person not familiar with Hyatt policies, she even started to argue with us very unprofessionally. There are several similarly priced hotels in the area we're checking out before we'd ever return here. While the hotel has potential after Hyatt completes its renovations, we still won't come back because of how terrible all the front desk people were towards us. But hopefully, you'll have a better experience if you do decide to check it out. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.